How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. And in this episode we have the new car. Like I said on the last episode yesterday, I didn't reveal which one I was gonna get. Like I said, I didn't get the red one. Wife don't like that color, so I already had the car. I went to the dealer this morning. I didn't film it because basically it was just picking it up, and I don't think it was a big deal. The car is here home. I left my car at the dealer, so I'm gonna go later to pick it up. In this case, guys, so right here we have the new one, and pretty good. I'm really happy with the decision that I make. Wife approved this one. She loved this one. It's really practical, really convenient to have this one. And I was saying yesterday that I was not gonna get a brand new one, but I did. So this is a new vehicle for the family. She didn't want the red one, so I get the dark gray. This is a 2018 RAV4 LE, and yes, I did get a brand new one. It was a good deal. I get a good discount. John at Mall of Georgia Toyota helped me out a lot. RAV4 LE, and like you guys saw before, this one has a lot of room. I was thinking on getting something bigger, but for two kids and my wife and I think this is just plenty of room for groceries, for the stroller, for the stuff for the baby. Even if we do a road trip, this is gonna be really good. First time getting a brand new car. It smells awesome. The smell is really good. First time getting a brand new one. Maybe I'm gonna make another episode where I show everything in detail about the car. Right now I'm just gonna show you the inside. I like that when you open the door, he opens the door in the little screen. It's really good. It's really good. I like it. And like I said, brand new. I get it with 9 miles. Then I bring it home and it has total of 20 miles on it. So let me turn the AC on because it's kind of hot in here. It's really good, guys. Having a brand new car for the first time is really good. That is the total price of this one, $27,541, and I get a really good discount. And if you can see, that's for my baby, and we have enough room for all of us, groceries and everything. So I'm gonna go in detail in another episode about it, but on this one I just try to share the new car. Obviously this one is for my wife, but I'm gonna be driving it just to show you guys the car and everything that it has on it. So this is not the top of the line. It's not really basic. There is some that they are really basic. This one is like in between the LE. I wish I can have something else, but obviously wife don't like leather, so that's why I didn't pick the one with leather. It has touch screen. It doesn't have navigation, which it will be really good, but for what it is, it's really good. Reverse camera, it has radio, CD changer. I would like to have the one with the climate control for both sides and heater and cool seats. I don't know if they have those features in the other RAV4s. Probably they do, but I didn't get all those features, but I'm really happy with this one. Let me pop the hood. Let's see the engine. There you have it, guys. Brand new. I don't know about those lights. Maybe we want to do some HIDs on it, but because this one is brand new and it's for my wife, I really I don't feel like messing like a lot with it. Probably I'm just gonna keep it the way it is. But one thing is for sure, I don't like those lights on the car. Like these ones, for example, I might make a video changing all these lights because really I don't like them. I prefer to have LEDs. And if we go to the back, you see those? That's no bueno. So guys, that's all I have for this one. I'm gonna make another ones probably when I change these ones to LEDs. Tell me what you think, guys, about the decision. Brand new 2018 RAV4, and I know it's really reliable and safe. And what else can you get? What else can you ask for when you have a brand new one? Which I'm not gonna have to mess with it, worry about it. It has 3-year warranty. I think it's bumper to bumper, and it's really good. So guys, tell me what you think. If you have any questions, comments, any suggestions that you have related to this one, you want to see some videos on it about something specific, let me know. I can make that happen. And I'm gonna be shooting more content about it, and I'm gonna be driving it around and tell you my feedback about the vehicle, see if what they say is true. I know Toyota is really good brand, so I'm gonna start testing that out with this new one. So that's all I have for this one, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.